gosh, he strutted right here for 5 minutes or more. Yes.
Here goes out. Alright, don't move. I can just see his tail. Got him.
So I spent the last week out here hunting, week and a half somewhere in there, quite some time. I've been bouncing around locations trying to find these squirrels. The last time I was here, I finally had found some. I got into some, and as you guys will see in this video, I did all right that day. But today's the 28th of December. Merry Christmas to everyone out there, and also a Happy New Year. You guys won't see this till after, so welcome 2023. But like I say, the next 2 days are going to be very warm, so I'll be out here both days trying to make it happen, trying to get as much meat in the freezer as I can, because squirrel season goes out at the end of this month, and honestly, I don't have very many, so I'm going to be hunting them hard. Every warm day I get, I'll be out here. As y'all see, I have the 22, and that's because even when I find the squirrels, the woods this year is so open. Where I'm at now, there's actually a little bit of leaf cover, not much, but this little bit of block of timber here held some leaf cover on. But all the other areas I'm in is just so wide open, they see me coming from a long way. So I ditched the air rifle, picked up the 10-22, so that's what I'm using mostly in this video. I also have a lot of really good squirrel hunting footage from early season. Due to fishing and bow hunting heavy this year, I kind of forgot all about the footage, but now that we're back into small game hunting, I'm just going to slap all the early season footage into this video too. But the plans for the night is I want to go check this one valley out. I haven't hunted it ever, but I saw it the other day when I was out and about. So I want to go set in it tonight and just see what all is in it. Hopefully we can at least come out of the woods with one tonight. I guess we'll just sit back and see. Y'all come along.
He went up there and just started eating a nut. I think I might have shot just a little bit low, but man, I thought it was perfectly on him. I got him. I must have pulled on the first shot. That second shot, all I could see was his head in that fork. So I shot him right in the head, but dang it, man, I can't believe I pulled on a shot. He was right there at that big tree, right at the base of it. I was up on that little knob, 50 yards, and missed him. But when I just now come up through here, a squirrel was up on top of the ridge. There was one behind me. It ran. They're all just now coming out, but they went back in. His rifle's still out, but I'm probably just gonna pick him up. Probably reposition myself up on top where I can look this way and across that other bank. And we'll sit here until dark and just see what else comes out. Let's go up and take a look at him. I shot that squirrel earlier. That was a squirrel I shot. He had blood all over his nose. He was literally laying in the center of that log. I've been sitting here. Everything's still on the ground. I've been literally sitting here. I hear something come out and make a little noise, and I look. He's sitting 2 feet from me. And I just had to wait and let him get in the open and make sure I had a good rest and shot. And he's done, but man, that means that I did nick his head. So that ain't the same squirrel. This one's the one I shot earlier. There it is. Just a young squirrel here. Good thing he didn't get in this old hollow thing. Go back up and set. I probably hunt till about 5 o'clock tonight and then probably call it quits, but 2 down.
I'm pretty sure I just shot that squirrel at like 120 yards. I might have missed him, I'm gonna be quiet, but I'm pretty sure I just smoked him at 100 and some yards. Over 100 yards. That's a long way, man. Hot dog. I just shot another one, but it took me 3 shots to shoot him out of that tree. So this one I just held just over the top of his head and shot. And I'm pretty sure he just rolled right off the log.
There you go. You might be able to see I got one there, one there. This one's the one I shot off that log that you guys seen in the video. I was way over on that other ridge back, clear up on top. I shot him right through the head. And then this one's the one that took me 3 shots. I finally got him. He fell out of the top of this one. There they are. 2 gray. Ended up with 4 tonight. Not bad. Not bad. I didn't even expect to see that many squirrels in here tonight, but till then, I'll catch you all in a few days. right there. Oh my God, what happened? No, shell didn't go off. Oh man, he's setting it wide open. Oh my God, what happened, man? Oh man. It's been a really good night of hunting, man. I spent hours without seeing one. I went to sneak up on one over here and had one come out right here in front of me. If I would have just stayed where I was earlier, I would have been able to see him and shoot him. But I spooked that one, come back over here because I saw two of them right here. And it turns out there was like 5 of them literally right here at this one tree. And as y'all seen, my gun snapped. I did roll one off this stump down here somewhere. And if I would have stayed put, them two would have probably came back. But I couldn't have got them anyway because my gun's jammed. But look right there, look. Man, look. Oh, man. And I can't do nothing about it. Here's the one, y'all. We had a beautiful throat shot on him. He was facing me. Pretty big squirrel. The rest of these squirrels are honestly pretty small, but pretty big squirrel. Not the biggest of the year, but hey, I'll take it. I sat here, me and the air rifle. I had squirrels everywhere. I seriously did. I had them all over these trees. And I bought this squirrel call last year. If y'all have been followers of the channel, you know I've had it. And I've used it in the fall, and I made them bark. I'm talking, they'll go nuts. But it has a built-in distress call. I don't want to do it because I still got another squirrel above me in this tree. And it has a built-in distress call. And I watch people on YouTube do it. But they had like a little ring one that you blow into. And man, I mean, them squirrels would just run through the woods right at their feet. And they'd pop them at like 4 or 5 yards. So I did it. I sat here, I said, there's the best chance to try it. There's squirrels everywhere. I started doing it. And I mean, the whole trees quit moving, limbs quit moving. And I saw one squirrel come down a tree across from me. And I was like, oh, no way. And he went right to the ground. I got ready. I said, oh, there's no way he's going to come over here. And yeah, he never did. I don't know where he went. He went off somewhere. He probably just got the heck out of Dodge. I was saying, what the hell is that? I ain't no squirrels in distress because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, I went ahead, closed all the cameras, sat here, and next thing I know, I look right up there. Tree limbs start moving, and a squirrel just comes. I mean, he's been sitting there the whole time. He just comes right out, right down, right across, and got right there. And I'll range it for y'all real quick. I guess him about 13 yards. I put it smack square in the center of his head and shot. Shot him at 16 yards on the dot, so not bad. So it's 177 cows putting it on him this morning. It's number 2. Well, y'all, here's number 2 of the morning. Another big one. Look like a female. Yep, big female. So not too bad. Cannot wait. I'm gonna cook them up first thing in the morning. Got him. 100%. Oh, he's gonna fall. Oh, I'm about to shoot. Is that big pellet eat him up? There he is. He's dead. What the hell you guys shooting? I hit the fucking branch. Oh. I got him.